I think everybody know how important hot, warm, cold audience is already. So today we're gonna talk about how we're gonna set the target in Facebook to actually go into these different audience. For the cold audience, the target that you can use is to set things in a large audience target. You can start with the geographic area first, like in Bangkok only, or you want to go to like the whole country, like in the Thailand, right? Or you can try the different settings, the age group, starting from 25 to 45 years old and so on. And you can also try the interest too, like if the interest in soccer or the interest in a different type of thing. Also, you can use a target look-alike audience. Maybe it's the look-alike audience that used to visit your website or used to engage with your Facebook page. So that would be for start when you try to approach the cold audience. For the warm audience, the best way to do is you try to do the retargeting. You can focus to the people who used to visit your website before, or the people who used to inbox you before. You can also retarget the people who used to watch some of your video clip before, maybe like 30% view or something like that. So that would be the best way to approach to the warm audience. For the hot audience, these people actually the one who really interested in your product or services, right? You can actually retarget to the people who seem to have very interesting in your content. They watch your video view more than like 65% or 75%. Or you can retarget the people that maybe they add the item to the cart already, but then they abandon it. So this could be one way that you can approach to the hot audience. Also, at the same time, you can use what you're learning from the cold and warm audience in the beginning, that you know already, like what type of the target that seem to be engaging the most to your content or your promotion. So you can actually retarget them again with the promotion that you preparing for the hot audience target. So if you already try out the target audience that I suggest today and see how successful is that, you can comment below. And also if you have any question or any suggestion about our channel, you can also leave the comment below. And hope to see you next time again on NatNae.